Well, I gotta say that this one right here, this pillow, for long drivings, for long drives, this is such as a before and after. Yeah, it gives you that really nice. So it has both things. Has some support right here on the shoulder. I'm gonna kind of like show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But it has some really nice supports for my shoulders over here with this section, but also the shape over here for just my neck and just having that really nice position where you're sitting in the car for long periods of time, like long drives. I gotta say that this is pretty comfy. I think it is kind of like not only how cushioned it is, but also how firm it is right there on the back, so like in my shoulders. Let me show it to you. So see this section over here, this is kind of what it gives, that support right there on your shoulders, on your back. But this one is just, take a look at this. Take a look at how nice this memory foam is over here. I think that's the best part over there. It kind of like adapts to the shape of your neck and your nape and the back of your neck as well. But this one is also really good. I was not expecting that for sure. So I got a vouch for this. I think it could be really good for long drives. And of course, if you like to have it after like a day of work or working out or something like that, this one could be also really good. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.